How you can make Gojo in gacha online. For some reason, I think this hair is the back hair isn't right. No, this part, but oh well. Okay, real hair, 1300 and 820. No, 32. Front hair, 226. Back hair, 1200 and 440. No, 90. Glasses, 8. Shirt, 58. Pants, 1. Shoes, 5. Sleeve, 24. No, face AC1, 2572. And you're finished. Here's the color for real hair. Here's the color for real hair and color 2. Back hair, color. Shirt color. Color 2 color. Pants color. Glasses color. Shoes color. Nose color. Well, yep, you're finished. That was very easy.